So, for the sake of time, I was going to have you guys turn to page 187 in your book, and all that was in there was a list of compounds and their common names, like Lyle and milk of magnesia, and all sorts of other common names for chemicals, and how if you had to memorize all the common names for chemicals, it would virtually be impossible. Yes?
Is it milk of magnesia a laxative?
It can be.
Oh, this poor fish got sick.
Why do you know this?
You can question it. Okay? So, chemists came up with a naming system that is much easier than memorizing random names that don't really have any pattern to them. Okay? So, what nomenclature is essentially the naming system that we use in chemistry. Okay? Now, there are two forms of naming systems. You're going to want to put this little flowchart I'm about to put up here because it's going to tie everything together. Okay, when you're doing naming and you're writing formulas, okay, you're going to have to ask yourselves a few questions. First question.
Oh, I remember this.
I remember this too.
Okay, that is the very first question you must ask yourselves. Okay? And the reason why you must ask yourselves, is it ionic or is it covalent? Because when you're doing ionic, and when you're doing covalent, they are named differently. Covalent uses Greek prefixes.
I remember this.
Oh, yeah.
Somewhat.
I feel like I saw this page at home.
Alright? And ionic,
Roman numerals.
if it has a transition metal, I'm just going to, you just state the crisscross method. Hey. You don't really use the crisscross method when you're doing the naming, but if you can remember that, it'll help you. Okay? Second question you must ask yourself is this. You're going to want to write this in, guys.